don't want to do this, but I need to stop procrastinating and, yeah. See me. First of all, I finished cleaning the bathroom. Yes, my brother cleaned it a few days ago. But, like, I must get up to going. So, yeah, I'm not going to do before and after pics because I have no time. I'm just going to clean. It's 1 o'clock. I need a trash bag, so I'll be back. I got them. My brother, he did not, he may have had a mess on his side. So yeah, might as well just give you what it looks like. Oh yeah, oh my god. I'm just gonna tell you stuff that you should know before you judge me. That's for me. This is not blood or poop, that's just the paint. This, don't know what it's for. Same for this, this is paint. That was to unclog this. That, it's just popcorn. Because I burnt popcorn really badly. So I had to put it on the sink. So I'm gonna just rub this. Same, don't know what that is. And then the floor. Look. Like, there's glass under there. I don't know if I want to pick it up now. And this, my brother's. Ew, that's mine. My toothbrush over there. That's a bad pile of mess. But yeah, we're just gonna close the door. What the? Oh my gosh, where am I? Whoa! How did you get in here? What the? How did that get there? I should just clean. So I don't know where this came from. I guess it was magic of turning off your lights. Whoa, that's pretty awesome. Look at this, guys. It's like a jungle thing. The toilet paper. That's a waste of toilet paper. You can put it in here. That toilet paper, guys, is toilet paper for whenever we need it. I'm just decorating it for now. And look, that's where they were. Oh, a Bible. So whenever, oh yeah, it is hot in here. A Bible. So whenever you poop, you can pray to Jesus and God. That's pretty nice.
You can pray you don't die like Elvis.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm not showing you this, but the toilet has a top now. If you don't know, the toilet top cracked. Anyways, oh my gosh, look what I just saw.
COVID life.
Wow. Yeah, this is COVID life. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this back outro because why the heck not? So if you guys love this video, come on, if you guys love this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you are posted, whenever I'm up. And yeah, it is currently 2. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. It was 1, so it took me 2 hours to do this. We also did some stuff outside. I'm not gonna show you.
We could show you if his room wasn't a mess right now.
I'm gonna show you that tomorrow. Whenever I clean it up. So stay tuned for that video. And I guess
see y'all. Bye.
If you made it to this part of the video, thank you. Hit the bell icon, subscribe, like this video for more content. Don't forget, keep on working hard to exceed your dreams. Love you guys. Bye.